Hello friends, Sam here. So if you are taking my courses on myVuniversity, let it be Tibco courses, Mulesoft courses, Salesforce courses or any other courses, now here is a good news for you. You must be taking those courses so far on the laptop, or maybe even if you are taking on mobile, you may be taking it from browser. So now you can have myVuniversity Android app. So this is good news for Android users. You can install myVuniversity app and you can log in with your credentials in that app and you can take your courses on the go. Yes, let me show you the demo. So let us jump to my mobile. So I'm going to Play Store. So here is a Play Store. Okay, let me search myVuniversity. So let me type it in front of you. V for virtual, myVuniversity. That is our site name, and you can search it here. And yes, fourth from top you can see on your mobile. So here you can see this one we got. My photograph is also there. So I'm just getting into that. Click on install. It is getting installed now. It is 33.04 MB app. So install it on your machine. It is available. You can check out video, you can check out different snapshot and everything over here while installing. Let us open that. I'm clicking on open now and here it is getting open. Wow, the startup screen, and here you go. Wow, so if you want to take free courses, so you can see some of the courses are free. So here it is written free. Then you do not have to log in, just like the normal site. But if you want to take your own courses, let's say I do have one student login. So there are three lines at the top. You can see there are three lines at the top and you can click on that. Let me click on that, touch that, and you click on this sign in button. I'm going there. Awesome. And I'm signing in. I'm just putting my student ID I have created for myself for testing purpose. Let me just create that. Okay, this is the Gmail ID of a student. Put your Gmail ID here. Remember, whatever your credentials of the myVuniversity site, same credentials will work over here. That's amazing. You don't have to take different credentials over here. Okay, so let me just put the password. So your password, let me put that. You can use forgot password link also if you want. So here there is a forgot password link as well. Okay, so let me click on login. I'm just clicking the login. Awesome, and I'm getting logged in. Okay, so now again I click on this menu, three lines, and here you can see my courses. So get inside my courses, go there, and I can see my courses. So right now this particular student has only Tibco BW6X development course. I clicked on that and I get inside the course. So you can see now I will get inside the course. I can take sessions as well. You can see everything, all sessions. I can see there are a lot of sessions as per your plan. So if you are part of Kickstarter plan, or you are part of self-drive plan, or you are part of let's say next one, whichever economy flexi plan, or you are part of, let's say, deluxe flexi plan, whichever. Okay, whichever you are part of, just get into that. Okay, so suppose I just try to open any session. Let's say I open this welcome note to deluxe economy flexi. I click on that. Awesome, and you can see the session got loaded. So now I can take that session. You can see the video got loaded. I'm just running that. It is getting executed. You can maximize the size of that.
Welcome to this video
and you can see that it's getting played. Okay, so that is how it is. I pause that. Then once it is completed, I click on next lesson, and you will go to next lesson. So you can complete welcome note, you already completed. Now the next session, you can get it. Let me go to, let's say, what is EAI and why EAI. I'm getting into that. So maybe there is some plan enrollment issue, that's okay. But if you are part of that particular plan, then very well you will able to see that particular session. Let me just go back. Okay, so what I do, let me check the catch up session that must be there for everybody. Okay, so I'm just clicking on start, and you can see the uh, fourth one, that fourth session getting played over there, and I'm playing that, and that is there. Okay, and it is getting played. You can see the class is getting played, and here I can see the live class is going on. I'm just going on, and I just forwarded that, and you can see you can take that session. Okay, so that's what you can do the you can make your mobile like landscape or portrait or whatever. Let me just pause that, and after you complete, you can click on next lesson, and you can see I'm going to next lesson. So that's how it is. So find it out on the Google App Store, Google Play Store, and you will enjoy learning on the go. Okay, so download that today, install it today, and drop me the line on WhatsApp saying that Sam, I installed that. Okay, let me know your feedback, how you like that, how you enjoy your learning on the go. Happy learning, my dear friends, and see you with amazing features for you to make your learning experience great. Thank you, and bye bye.